Hello everyone, my name is Level and you're watching my tech channel. If you don't know that, I have another channel where I basically give advice to content creators and live streamers, Twitch streamers specifically. And for the past year and a half or 2 years or 3 years that I've been doing that, I've been receiving weird comments. They are very, very rare, but I notice them basically because they come out of the ordinary. Thank you for helping me comment. And those comments are usually, hey, basically, I'm paraphrasing, you have no credibility because you are not displaying any expensive items, which sounds insane, right? One of those items is mostly my headphones. Now, I'm a cheap guy in general, right? I don't think I've ever spent more than 50 bucks on a pair of headphones, like ever. I have very, very cheap headphones, and most of the time I will rather spend a lot of money looking for the perfect cheap one rather than spending a lot of money in one expensive one. Anyways, so those comments basically made me think of something. I've been, deflecting this criticism for years now, but at a certain point, I realized, you know what? Even if I disagree with credibility being linked to spending spending money and having expensive stuff, I realized, you know what? If that is what it takes to reach certain people, to reach a certain audience, might as well do it. I went on a journey. I went on a research journey to learn what would be the headset that would gain the most credibility. And again, if you're hearing me say this like that and you're like, oh, this is stupid, I agree. This is very, very much stupid. But that's how it is. You can't impress people who believe in something stupid if you don't do something stupid too. So I basically figured out I want to check out what would be the best headset. So in my specific niche that has to do with gamers and live streamers, if I went ahead and bought like $1,000 audiophile headset, believe it or not, this would still not be credible. This would still not give the impression that I'm trying to give here, which is finding a headset that is well established to be, oh wow, this is the headset that when gamers and live streamers see it, they think, I want this, or oh wow, he's wearing this, he's great, or oh, I know how they cost, I can never afford that. The whole concept is so stupid. But anyways, so I went ahead and bought the most expensive headset that I've ever paid for. And they're not even that expensive in the grand scheme of things. It's just that I don't spend a lot of money on headsets. I still have 3 or 4 perfectly functional headsets. But this is the Steelseries Arctis 7, and apparently when it comes to gamers and live streamers, this is what their wet dreams are made of. I should probably not curse on this channel. I should probably keep it family friendly. But I actually got this one from Amazon's warehouse because I refused to, well, because it wasn't available brand new, but I refused to wait for it to be available. So we're going to be unboxing it and we're going to be testing it and everything. I believe I spent $175 on this one. It is wireless and it's white. I like it. It goes well with my keyboard. So let's get to unboxing. Oh, here we are. Oh, I may probably get my coffee out of there. And this is the Steelseries. So I'm gonna go and do this up. Okay. That. All right. On the side, plastic stuff. And let's slide this like that. Ooh, look at that big boy. That's a big boy. Oh, it's actually way bigger than I expected. Let's pull it down. They still have the plastic cover. That's nice. And then I'm guessing what it's supposed to be is supposed to be the wireless thingy. It's huge, actually. It is actually huge. I really, really thought it was going to be smaller. So yeah, so that's the wireless emitter, I guess. And then I can already see some audio cable. So I have I don't even know what type of jack that is, but there's a jack into some sort of micro something. There is a USB to micro USB, and then there's just this. Absolutely have no idea what those 2 cables do and why they're here. So something that we can see in this little USB. Oh, let me get rid of that, make sure there's nothing. Oh, something else. And the manual. Okay, cool. I'm so sorry. In this little thing here, it says Steelseries, right? There's 2 inputs there, right? Or it might be output. So there's line in, line out. Okay, I was right. And on this side, there's also a little button. Not sure what that means, what that's used for, but okay. Plastic peeling. Let's do this. This is supposed to be not totally brand new, but plastic is still on it. So how do I even begin? Nice. So much plastic. Wait, can I even? There we go. Now, first impressions. This feels great. I'm not gonna lie. This feels like this feels like I spent some money on it, but it feels like actual. You know, we don't get that fake plastic or fake leather. This is super soft material, extra soft, but those are actually really, really thick. Actually pretty thick. Now, when it comes to buttons and stuff like that, I can see a mute button here. I can see a volume knob. It's kind of loose, you know, it's not hard. There's not a lot of resistance. It doesn't wobble, but there's no resistance. There's that connection that we saw earlier, and there's a jack, and there's the micro USB, which I'm guessing it's going to be to charge it. Now on the other side, we have some logos for a controller and a logo for talking. I'm guessing it's going to be maybe the volume between game and like team chat or something. And then we have the power button right there. Here we go, with all the buttons are here like that, and boom. And here you have the microphone. Where is it? I'm gonna try to pull that. Oh, that feels great. Actually feels great. I'm not anticipating those to sound really good, but hey, it has a mic. It's wireless. This is a huge advantage, meaning that I can walk around with this stuff, right? Okay, so apparently this, the weird thing that I saw, the jack, that is for console. So you would plug it into your controller for like a gaming console, or to plug it in your phone because it is TRRS. Okay, so that's how you would use it with a phone, for example. Micro USB is the charging cable, so I was right about that. There's a mute button, volume control, mobile cable jack. And then you have something called headphone share jack. So the jack entry here is supposed to be a share jack. What does that mean? Am I gonna go jack with someone else's headphone? Wait, no way. There's no way. Actually, you can plug another headphone in there so that two people can listen to what's going on and still wireless. That's actually super useful for something like a podcast. That's actually okay. I've never even thought about that before. Okay, then let's start by plugging in the transmitter into my computer and see what's up. Okay, so that's plugged in. Take a look at what Windows is saying. I'm not gonna lie, I don't really want to install anything. Okay, so my Windows automatically changed to Arctis 7. The new input is called Headphones, Arctis 7 Game. But there's also Headset Earphone, Arctis 7 Chat. I've yet to know the difference between those two, but let's see if it came in with some charge, at least. Oh, it's blinking. Now, what does that mean? I don't know. Let's try them on. All right. Wait, they don't extend? There's no way. Oh, they're comfortable. They're still comfortable. Oh my God, they really block a lot. It's hard to hear. Yeah, you can tell they really obstruct your ears so you can hear less of what's going on outside. Okay, that's cool. That's some pretty cool feature. Oh, that's loud. Let me try to play some music. Arctis game. Quality is clean so far. Very clean. Okay, there's some decent bass. I really want to hear the high frequencies, because that's my thing. If the highs are clear, that's what I love with a headset. Okay. Definitely way clearer than the EXA headset that I've been using. and the hi-hats. Not too far though when it comes to the bass and stuff like that, really not that far. But definitely clearer, more neutral. There's more fidelity to the highs. And that's what I've always wanted basically. Try to bump up the volume. Yeah, those are decent. Those are decent. I wouldn't call them audiophile headsets, but it feels great. You know, this doesn't, it feels like it breathes. It doesn't feel like a material where you're gonna sweat and you're gonna feel hot or anything. So I actually really enjoy it. Comfort wise, I will admit that this is better than all of my cheap ones, for sure, you know. Sound wise, it's not that far from them though. All right, enough of that. Let's try the microphone, shall we? Test. Well, I have no ways of actually listening to it right now. I'm gonna bring it close to my mouth, and this is the mic with no filters. Testing. 1, 2, 3. Hello, my name is Gal Level, and I'm currently testing the Arctis 7 wireless, the Arctis 7 Pro wireless microphone. I'm not putting it in front of my mouth to make sure that I don't, you know, blow some wind in it. Other than that, this is the microphone. This is what it sounds like. So the manual says that the red color that we had on the power button indicates that the battery is actually low. So the battery is low right now. I will have to charge it. I have to hold it 3 seconds to power it up. Pairing is apparently automatic. And if it doesn't pair, you can always press the power button for 6 seconds and it will try to pair again. So there is a line out. So basically you can plug in your phone with one of those, I guess if you have a jack, or if you have like a micro USB or USB-C to jack. Basically there's a jack entry here where you can plug whatever you want and actually hear it in the headset. I don't know if there's any latency. I don't think there's any latency. That would defeat the purpose of gaming with this thing. Yeah, I really like it. It actually really pops. It pops a lot on screen because it's white, you know, and wearing it like that or anything, it's a good style. This is literally a headset that I bought just because, you know, my viewers wanted me to buy it. So I really like the style. I really like what it looks like. There was another one that was more expensive, but this was blue and I can't do that. No, thank you. I think this is the cleanest that we'll get for the price and also for all the things that go with it. I like that. Anyways, I think that would conclude the unboxing, testing, and reviewing of the Arctis 7 wireless headset. Really decent, really cool looking stuff. It might be a little expensive for the price because, you know, you can get Bluetooth headsets that sound way better for that price and probably more comfortable. But if you're using it for gaming, it has all those things that are compatible with PC and all those extra little options. Yeah. I can't say it's worth it if you don't have the budget. Absolutely not worth it. Go for something more less expensive, really. But if you're buying it to flex because, you know, the gaming community wants you to flex, then pretty good choice. Discord certified? What does that even mean? Anyways, I still don't have an outro for this channel, so I will see you guys next time. Anyways, if you want to snatch yourself a pair or just take a look at it, there will be some links in the description. If they're Amazon links, that means they're gonna be affiliate links, so you can get them and actually help the channel without any additional cost to you. It says most awarded gaming headset line. People really love them. Anyways, again, thank you for watching, thank you for subscribing. Go check out my other channel if you're interested in everything gaming or mostly live streaming, because I give advice there. But other than that, click the subscribe button for more tech reviews. I will be doing some more. I have some exciting stuff coming up. But anyways, I still don't have an outro for this channel. What I would like you to do is actually click the like button, okay? Just like, I'll wait. 3, 2, click that like button, and yeah, if you want to subscribe, please do subscribe. I have more exciting stuff coming up on this channel and I'm excited for you to see them. Still no outro. Goodbye.